Sensitive Adhesive (PSA) types, a global market overview. The report segments the market by type. The report further segments the market by backing material and adhesive technology. Geographical analysis spans over the Americas, Europe, Asia, and rest of the world. Key market players featured in this report include 3M Company, PPM Industries SP.A., Saint-Gobain, SureTape Technologies, LLC, Tessa SE, and more. Global market analysis of pressure-sensitive adhesive tapes. Product segment analysis of pressure-sensitive adhesive types market. Regional analysis of pressure-sensitive adhesive types market.